Tears gone cold, I'm wondering why I get out of bed at all. The morning rain clouds up my window, and I can see it all. And even if I could, I don't regret. But your picture on my wall, it reminds me that it's not so bad, it's not so bad. Drank too much last night, got bills to pay. My head just feels in pain. I miss the bus and the we have today. I'm late for work again, and even if I'm there, they'll all imply that I might not last the day. And then you call me, and it's not so bad, it's not so bad. And I wanna thank you for giving me the best day of my life. Oh, just to be with you, it's having the best day of my life. Push the door, I'm home at last, and I'm so okay two and two. Then you handed me a towel, and all I see is you. And even if my house falls down, I wouldn't have a clue, because you're near me. And I wanna thank you for giving me the best day of my life. Oh, just to be with you is having the best day of my life. I wanna thank you for giving me the best day of my life. Just to be with you is having the best